Motorists.
Motors.
What kind of motors?
Yokomo. Yokomotors.
Yokomotors.
Yokomotors. These are the re-release.
Moving
Up
up there.
a bit.
Yeah, that'll do.
There we go.
Yeah, it's perfect.
These are the re-release 05 motors from the 90s. These were the absolute thing to have. If you're running stock class, you'd run one of these suckers.
Yes.
They were the thing to have. We first got these in about 6-7 weeks ago, and they sold out in 3 hours.
Very quickly.
Yeah, they were just gone because everybody wanted them. Now we've got a whole lot in, and I mean a whole lot. So we're looking really good. So you should be able to buy these for in maybe another week or so, depending on what happens after this.
They look really good. So this is a Yokomo 05R stock motor.
Yep.
Which is the same age as that the regular, the Wonder Dog Fighter.
Yeah.
And this one suits the aging of the Super Dog Fighter.
Yep. And the important thing is, Brett and I were looking at these the other day. These are this one is just a standard can with no special
bring it over here.
notation on it.
Yes.
You can't see anything.
Yeah, so this is a very modern looking can, right?
Yeah.
So you look at the end bell and it's got those brush hood
Yeah.
heat sinks and the shapes of the
Yeah.
terminals. So that's not really vintage of this time. Okay, even the cutouts for the venting. But the label is correct.
Yeah.
And the wines will give you a similar sort of performance of then.
But it's not a true one. But this one,
Yeah, when you compare it to this one,
you can look, you can see. Oh, let's.
There you go.
This
Yeah.
Over there, you can just.
So it's the actual Yokomo end bell.
It's the Yokomo M as it used to be.
It's bushed.
Yep. And if we turn it over, we can see the Yokomo Japan.
Yes.
So we actually think this was done from original tooling.
Yeah, I would think so.
So these are very significant if that's the case. But either way, it certainly gives you the correct
Oh, I think I've gone too far.
vintage feel. Yeah, you have.
Have I gone too far?
Well,
I'm
yeah.
looking all fuzzy now.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
I think some people are being sick, but
Oh, that's right.
that's all
No
right.
different than what Brett did before.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah, there you start
So
seeing
these are
the
now
end bell.
available. This is the 28 turn.
Yep.
That's a 27. So these are so good.
8-minute racing back then.
Yeah. Well, we never did that here.
No, were we always like 4-minute, wasn't it? 4 minute,
I
5
think,
minute?
yeah, I can't remember. It's been so long ago.
And then look at the slots.
Yeah. Who are you
And even
calling
the-
a slot?
Oh, could be you, could be me. And then look at the vents on the end there.
Yeah.
The thing that is different, they didn't always have 2 mounting holes, did they? The old ones only had 2 sets.
I can't remember.
I don't know. Maybe someone could show us an original one,
Yeah.
and then we can work it out, because I haven't seen one in a long time. But it looks pretty good to me.
Yeah. So we've got still we've got a couple of trays worth of these this time. We couldn't get enough last time.
Yeah.
But these are well worth it.
So if you want to drive your car, they're great fun.
Yeah.
Or if you want them for a shelf queen to look good,
Yeah.
they do that too.
You can't beat it.
Yeah, really nice. So make sure you don't miss out on them.
So they're good.
Yeah, motors, Yokomo motors.